Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing chicken cutlets recipe. The ingredients are 1 cup boiled and shredded chicken, 3 sliced breads, chopped coriander leaves, 1 sliced onion, half tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/8 teaspoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies, salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, half tablespoon of vinegar. Breadcrumbs, 1 beaten egg, oil and water. Heat oil in a pan, add 1 onion sliced, salt, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilies. Saute it on medium flame. Add 1 cup of boiled and shredded chicken. Mix. Half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/8 teaspoon of oregano. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix. Add half tablespoon of vinegar. Mix. Switch off the flame. Add chopped coriander leaves. In a bowl, add 3 sliced breads, little water. Soak the sliced breads with water. Squeeze the sliced breads to remove the excess water. Mash the sliced breads and add it to the chicken filling. Mix. Divide the mixture into round portions. Dip the portions in beaten egg. Then coat with breadcrumbs and shape into cutlet. Heat oil in a pan and deep fry the cutlets. Chicken cutlets are now ready. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.